Most traders think the chart is the whole story, but the chart is just the aftershock. The real earthquake, the place where pressure builds before candles print, is the depth of market, the DOM. Those flashing numbers aren't noise, they're live intent from buyers and sellers. If you can read that intent, you'll see where the next move wants to go before the chart shows it. Here's the simple version. The DOM is a live auction. On one side, you have bids, buyers lined up at specific prices. On the other side, you have ask, sellers lined up at specific prices. Each price level shows how many contracts or lots are waiting to be filled. Price trades where buyers and sellers agree, but the DOM shows you where they're preparing to act. It's an X-ray of the market's next decisions. Now, why does that matter? Because big players leave footprints. When you see a giant stack of buy orders sitting just below current price, that level often behaves like temporary support, like someone is standing there with a net. A big stack of sell orders above price can act like resistance, the ceiling. But there's a catch. Sometimes those stacks are fake. They appear to lure traders in and then disappear right before price gets there. That's called spoofing. Your edge is learning to tell the difference between a wall that holds and a hologram that vanishes. Here's how to put this to work. First, scan for imbalances, meaning one side of the book is meaningfully heavier than the other around levels you already care about. Prior day high or low, VWAP, session open, big round numbers. Second, watch what happens as price approaches. If a buy wall gets hit and the size refreshes, meaning it keeps absorbing, there's real interest there. If the wall shrinks or vanishes before the touch, that was likely spoofing. Third, build a micro plan. If a real wall holds twice and refills, you can plan a bounce trade with tight risk just beyond the level. If it evaporates, step aside or trade the other way. DOM isn't magic, it's just a look at intention. But when you combine it with smart levels, you stop guessing and start reading the tape. Thanks for tuning in. If you got value from today's episode, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who trades. And if you're ready to sharpen your skills even further, click the link below for tools, training, and resources to help you trade smarter, no matter the market. Until next time, trade smart, stay focused, and have a great day.